Sean's dad here from OG Creations. Obviously, this week's video would have dropped sometime during the holidays. But as I stated before, my world went to hell and handbasket does not cut it. That's way too pleasant. I'm thinking something like my world went to hell in one of those Mountain Dew bottles you see rolling around on the floor of a subway that's filled with piss, vomit, very liquidy diarrhea, something like that. I wanted to do a set of shirts that would celebrate you and how you celebrate the holidays. But at the same time, just be a fucking cool tie-dye shirt that you could wear year-round and no one would know it was part of a holiday collection. It starts that I was inspired by those Starbucks holiday cups. The addition of the minty green and soft pink with the traditional red and green. Additionally, George Soros told me that I needed to do something similar with our Jewish brainwashing space laser colors of blue and silver. I decided that these colors would look amazing in a glitch, so that's exactly what I did. Before we get started, I humbly ask that if you like this video, please hit the like button, leave a comment or two, and subscribe to my channel. Your help will be greatly appreciated. I didn't record my folding of these shirts and it took me forever to find a past video that showed it. These tees have been soaked in a soda ash bath for 25 minutes and using a spindle link cycle, they were spun until practically dry. With the tee flat on my work surface, I place a ruler under the tee, 2 rulers width above the hem. You're going to flip the ruler towards you, holding onto the fabric, making a ruler size pleat. Press the fabric down firmly while you slowly slide the ruler out from one side, ensuring you don't disrupt your new pleat. Again, place the ruler 2 rulers width above to create a new pleat and repeat the same process. If you look at your shirt as having pleated it on the horizontal, you now must pleat the vertical. Rotate your shirt 90 degrees. Carefully repeat the same process, and once completed, you will be left with a square basket weave. There's still one more step. Using your ruler again, and a washable marker, draw a straight line from one corner to the opposite. I'm going to be using my rubber bands as guides, so I evenly space them out so my dry dye powders can be applied to each of those sections. With the folded tees on my dye rack, I apply my colors. I have pre-mixed equal parts dry dye powder and soda ash in small 4-ounce bottles. For the Hanukkah shirt, I'm using Cobalt, Houdini blue, Glacier Blue, and Silverlining. I place a piece of foil on top of the undyed shirt to protect it from all of those little air puffs these bottles will create at times that get everywhere. The Christmas shirt, I'm using maroon, dark green, bubblegum, and sea glass. Now in Seattle, we don't have white Christmases, we have wet ones. So I popped these motherfuckers outside for 12 hours. Once they were brought inside, they're set aside for 48 hours to process in a 70-degree space. They were rinsed in cold water, and then I slowly increased the temperature to hot to ensure that all the soda ash had been removed. They were then ran through the laundry using a cold water cycle and then a hot water cycle. After being dried, ironed, and placed into inventory, they were added to the Etsy store, ready to purchase. You can get these and similar items by clicking the link above, or by visiting ogcreationstore.etsy.com. I hate this part of the video, where it feels like I have to say something about what I've just spent countless hours and quite a bit of money on. So I'm not going to. Let me know if you like these and which one's your favorite. Additionally, I did create matching briefs and thongs for these shirts. You can find those over in the Etsy shop as well. Go buy some! I'll see you next time.